Yeah, hello, good day. I welcome you all. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make use of your bank application to do subscription. I mean your Gotv subscription. You can make use of this method to do any subscription of your choice. But since I want to do for Gotv, okay, now let's proceed. The first thing is that I want to make use of the OPay application. Click on the applications in which you want to use. Okay, from there navigate to where you have TV. Now, this is my own IUC number being displayed. You are expected to type the IUC number of your TV, and likewise at this where they have select provider. You can click on any of your as in any of your TV subscription provider. And since I'm making use of GoTV now, has been click on GoTV. Okay, now I'm asked to click on the package in which I want to use. Let me click on package. We have series of GoTV package, but for this one I'm doing that one of 2,250. Okay. Okay, let me enter my IUC. Okay, my IUC has been entered now. Let me click on confirm. My account is being verified. Okay, now my account has been verified as Provoconle. Let me click on confirm. Okay, now, okay, let me use this cash back. Okay, pay.